Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Settings and tapping Privacy and Security. This is where Apple centralizes location controls. Once done, choose Location Services at the top to see the global toggle. Make sure it's enabled. You need your device unlocked and connected so the menu shows all apps. If prompted for Face ID or your passcode, authenticate now to reveal app-specific settings. This first step gives you immediate control and a clear view of which apps can request your location. Next, tap any app in the list to inspect its permission level. This is where you choose how and when an app can use your location. You'll see options like Never, Ask Next Time, While Using the App, and Always. Pick the least permissive that still lets the app function. Also check the Precise Location switch. Turn it off to share Approximate Location instead. Make sure to note the Recently Used indicator to understand background access patterns and adjust accordingly for privacy. Finally, scroll to the bottom and open System Services to control system-level uses like Find My, Significant Locations, and Emergency Calls. Disable items you don't want tracked, and confirm Share My Location under your Apple ID if you use Family Sharing or Find My. If location seems wrong or not updating, try toggling location services off and on, then restart your iPhone. This often clears temporary glitches. If problems persist, sign out of.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.